Modal verb can is used to show present ability. In the same way, be able to is used to show present ability when it is used with present tense before verbs am, is, are. In that, we use am with I, is with he, she, it, are with we, you, and they. With modal verb can, we use verb 1. Examples. I can swim across the river. It shows my present ability. I am able to swim across the river. It is my present ability. Then what is the difference? I can swim across the river is equal to I am able to swim across the river. There is no difference in the meaning of both the sentences. Next, he can speak English fluently. It is his present ability. He is able to speak English fluently. It means he can speak English fluently is equal to he is able to speak English fluently. Both the sentences show his present ability. We can run fast. It is our present ability. We are able to run fast. This sentence also shows our present ability. Meaning wise, there is no difference between these two sentences. Meaning of the both the sentences is same. Can plus verb 1 is equal to am or is or are plus able to. It means you can't use can plus able to together. For example, don't say I can able to swim across the river. It is wrong. Either you can say I can swim across the river or I am able to swim across the river. But you should not say I can able to swim across the river. Could and be able to. Modal verb could is used to show our past ability. Modal verb could is used with verb 1. Be able to is used to show past ability when it is used with past tense before verbs was and were. We use was with I, he, she, and yet, were with we, you, and they. Examples. I could swim across the river when I was young. I could swim across the river when I was young means when I was young, I could swim across the river. It is my past ability. At present, I don't have this ability. This is equal to I was able to swim across the river when I was young. When I was young, I was able to swim across the river. Meaning of both the sentences is same. I could swim across the river when I was young is equal to I was able to swim across the river when I was young. Next example. He could jump the wall in his 20s. It means in his 20s he had this ability. He could jump the wall. In his 20s he could jump the wall. He was able to jump the wall in his 20s. It means in his 20s he was able to jump the wall. He could jump the wall in his 20s is equal to he was able to jump the wall in his 20s. Meaning of both the sentences is same. We could play cricket in our young age. It means in our young age we could play cricket. We had the ability in our young age, not now. We were able to play cricket in our young age. In our young age, we were able to play cricket, not now. We could play cricket in our young age is equal to we were able to play cricket in our young age.